Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. In the morning class, from problem to challenge, we have seen the story of Nachiket. And in that story, he made a very clear-cut demand as the third boon from Yamaraj. He said, okay, whatever you said is okay, fine. Now come to the point. What was the point? Don't tell me, if you get this thing, you will go to heaven. If you do this thing, you will get one more vote. If you do this thing, you will become chief minister. Don't tell me that. Those cheap things I don't want. Then, अन्यत्र धर्मात्, अन्यत्र अधर्मात्, अन्यत्र अस्मात् कृताकृतात्, अन्यत्र भूताच्च भव्याच्च, यत् तत् पश्यसि तद्वद. Don't tell me about dharma, adharma. If you do adharma, you go to hell. If you do the dharma, you go to super hell. Don't tell that. It's for babies. See, friends, everything is necessary. When we were small kids, we don't know anything, so we are taught by some symbols. See, this is short, one line. This is long, other line. Now the child doesn't know what is the meaning of short or long. So he remembered that, okay. And then somebody comes to their house and the child sees. And he tells his mom, Mom, one short and one long has come. This was the purpose. It is a means of communication. See? And therefore, this dharma, adharma is told for whom? That is necessary. But how long? Can we continue to remain in KG1, KG2 class throughout our life? Decide. We have to grow sometime, isn't it? In Delhi, I saw one man, very shorty. I happened to see him when he was very small. He was horizontal, small. And he came and he says, Swamiji, do you recognize me? I said, no, I have not seen you. No, I only was told that you saw me. I don't remember. When I was small in my mom's lap, how many days before? Not days, 30 years before. I said, wow. But how come you are only this much? If 30 years you lived, you should have grown, isn't it? If 30 years we are walking the spiritual path, but again, useless. Don't justify you are miserable. See, friends, and why it happens? Because of we are wasting our time in dieting. Many people ask me, Swamiji, what are your diet restrictions? What are your dieting needs? I said, khilao anything. Why? My principle is also dieting. Die eating. Instead of dying starving, it is better to die eating. See? And those who are fat, I love those people. Do you know how? You are all my gurus. I got, like one of you told me, in Manakarnika Ghat, for some formality I had to go. So I went there, and then my friend asked me, Swamiji, how much this fellow will take to burn fully? I said, you ask him. I don't know. No, you know. I said, no, I don't have experience. How can I tell you? Then he said, no, I can tell you. I said, when you know, why do you ask me? He said, I wanted to tell you. I said, okay, tell. You know how people use us. He said, He will take maybe about 1 hour, 20, 25 minutes. I said, wow, so perfect. He said, do you know how I learned this thing? I said, I don't want to know. No, but I want to tell a tale. This is the highest spiritual practice. We do not want to know anything about anybody. Don't put garbage in your head. See? About food, how much careful we are. This we should eat, this we should not eat. We should do exercise, all kinds of things. But what kind of food we are giving to our mind? जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन बाढ़ में तुम्हारी राह है वहां. See, my friends, therefore, our Dhritarashtra Maharaj belong to our category. Dhruta means hold on to. Dhru dhatu, krudanta is dhruta. He who was holding tight. So Dhritarashtra in today's world could be called as our politicians. They don't want to leave the chair. One minister was removed from his place, he went with the chair. Dhritarashtra. So he asked this question. But some people, they say, when they do dharma, they go to heaven and they get punya, merit, and those who do the adharma, they get the sin and miseries. Now, tell me his question. Is it dharmaha papena pratihanyate va utaho dharma pratihanti papam? This is his question. Whether dharma is destroyed because of the sin and the sin is taken care of by the dharma. That means adjustment हो सकता है क्या? See, it is something like, I have killed one person, then mahapap, then, but I have given birth to a child, then it is okay. No. This is, most of us have got this notion. The papa, punya, dharma, adharma is not meant for this. It is meant, what we call, the tatparya nirnaya. See, tatparya nirnaya in English will be moral of the story. So what is the tatparya nirnaya of dharma, adharma, papa, punya, hell, heaven? The tatparya is, we must live our life in such a manner that there are no dents and dots left on our mind toward the conclusion of our life. That is the purpose of dharma. See? But whole life we live in a horrible manner. And then, sau chuhe khake, billi hach chali. See, friends, there are no shortcuts. To tell this thing, dharma, adharma is brought. And therefore, Dhritarashtra has done only adharma. Now he is remembering, if I do something good, I forgive the Pandavas, what else can you do? You already killed them. Now I want to forgive them. So that will be punya, that will be merit. Will my sins be washed out like the dirt is washed out with the detergent? No. What will happen? Friends, as our age improves, means as we grow, I am telling, as we grow bodily, not dash, dash, dash. I have no words. Only bodily we grow. Why? Because we don't learn from our own experiences. See, friends, there is a friend of mine, I will not tell you the name and place, in USA. Very good person, extremely successful, multi-billionaire. And he is a lone ranger, hardly any friend in the whole of America. So I was freely available. So I have to stay somewhere. So you go to him. Once you go to him and stay, next time you take a vow. If I had to hang myself, I will not go there, but hang there. Once he catches you, he will talk, 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 talk. There is no end to it. Whether the other person wants to listen or not, we keep on talking. See? Because that is what is inside. If I have taken, I was talking to Amma, if I have taken a lot of garlic, and then what will come out? Will the sugandha come out? Now what is in our mind? Only garbage of the past. There is only one way if you want to really begin your life, spiritual life right now onwards. Take a vow to your, don't take my vow, okay? Otherwise all of you will kill you today only. Take a vow. You will not talk anything about you to anybody. Now try to talk. फिर क्या बोलूं? There is nothing to talk. All the time the same thing. I was here, I was there. Arey, who cares? Before we talk to somebody, we should have the wisdom to know whether that buddy is interested or not. But once we get a victim, pakad ke, sunao. See, my friends, this is spiritual life. Bhagwan Shankaracharya, Gurute Ganga Sagar Gamanam Vrata Paripalana Havadanam Jnana Vihina Sarvamatena Bhajatina Muktim Janmashatena. Vedanta Shankaracharya. And Devi Sureshwari Bhagavati Gange Shankaracharya. Bhaja Govindam Shankaracharya. Can there be a superior devotee of the Lord than Shankaracharya? But what happens? Where to practice what we should know. See? Vedanta has to be applied on ourselves. And devotion has to be practiced on others. So practicing devotion on others means what? See the hidden divinity in everything and being. And let our divinity surface. If we stop talking to us about ourselves, then all that garbage will be buried and the divine that you are will surface. धृतराष्ट्र जी महाराज, no, is there any option? मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा पुण्य कर लेता हूँ, मुझे घटा दे. No. Then in reply to that, our Sanat Kumar ji Maharaj says, तस्मिन् स्थितो वाप्युभयं हि नित्यं ज्ञानेन विद्वान् प्रतिहन्ति सिद्धं यथान्यथा पाप पुण्य देहि तथा गतं पाम उपैति सिद्धं. Nobody is in this world who has not done sin or merit. If you go still deeper, there is not a single action which is only sin and which is only merit. Every action has got both the sides. See? So, tasmin sthitaha. That means if this is the case, that somebody has done punya, he will get good result. Somebody has done pap, he will get bad result. Then, vidwan pratihanti siddham. The teacher says, tasmin sthitaha, ubhayam hi nityam. Both sin and merit are real. Nityam. But what happens? Vidwan pratihanti. He destroys both merit and sin. Who? Vidwan. He who has discovered his divine nature. And those who are yatha anyatha papam upaiti dehi. Like a sinner goes through the sins as well as he goes to the merit. Now how do we practice this? See, friends, the practice is not difficult. See, if we look within ourselves, have we not done any crime against anybody in our whole life? Somewhere, somehow, we have done. So also, others also inflicted on us. Now, how do we respond? Do we take revenge of it or we forgive it? See? Therefore, we have to live our life in such a manner, all that is good happening in our life, it is God's grace. And all that is bad happening in our life, we are ready to go through without complaints. One child asked this question to me, Swamiji, you people tell whatever when we are successful, God's grace. And when something goes wrong, it is our fault. Why double standard? Children's questions are very intelligent, Old people have no question, they have got complaints. See? So, I said, look here, it is simple. If you say that all the bad things are done because of ourselves, then we will try to improve ourselves. And if we say everything is done by me alone, then we will destroy ourselves. Success must be attributed to the divine will, and failures must be attributed to our ill approach to a given situation. Nobody can challenge this. But we are expert. Oh, Bhagwan ne banaya. He has got better things to do. See, therefore, Vidwan, both, and how the Vidwan goes through sin and merit, this is the way I told. Again, I will repeat it 10 times. See, experience without experiencer does not allow an impression to be formed on our mind. This is the rule. Like I meet so many people. Earlier, many years before, I was very proud of me. I could remember those days, even phones were also not plentifully available. I could remember everybody's phone number, car number, without any paper. So much. One day, it just happened. I said, hey, why am I collecting garbage in my head? From that day onwards, I have never forgotten to forget. And therefore, I see so many people and they feel very bad. See, I went to Swamiji, he didn't recognize me. Are yaar, I have forgotten God. Who will remember you? Do not collect garbage in your head. To that purity only is called God realization. Mind without contents is Paramatma. Paramatma with the contents is Jivatma. See? A pot with the contents, if it is the yogurt pot. If it is a mirchi pot. If it is empty, in that emptiness is also pot. In that emptiness is the total space. You empty yourself. God doesn't come and go. Unfortunate he. Where he is not, where will he go? And when he is not, he will avoid. Let him express through us. Don't seek God. Allow him to express. And for that, this is the technique. Enough is enough of the past. And another worry about the future. These two channels, if you block, like we get all unwanted WhatsApp and all the promotion things, we block that. Block these two channels, past and future. And in the present, Ram Naam le lo. Why Ram Naam le lo? Without practice and training, mind will not remain thought-free. Every thought has an origin, and the origin is an object. If the object is finite, every finite object thought breeds the next thought. Because it is finite. See, like 2 days before I was not little well. So, then I am not well. Now what will happen? Should I do this thing? I shall and the infinite thought, जो थारी रहा है सो मारी रहा है, मनु की फर्क पैंदा. Relax. See, friends, so we all worry about not something great, about silly things. See? And therefore, what is the infinite theme? Take the Lord's name. Both worldly thoughts are thoughts, and Lord's name is equally a thought. But how it helps? When we think about the finite objects, our thought creates a flow. I wanted to go there, but it so happened, it was raining heavily, and then I could not go, but they were waiting. But they said, don't do Swamiji, we wait for you, but I don't know what to do. Poultry farm started breeding. See? So to break this thought about the worldly things, our masters, our scriptures have given. In that long straight road, I was talking this morning, there is one road between Bombay and Delhi, Samruddhi Marga, one of the best road I have seen in the whole world. Best road. It is so straight, so clean, so nice. So when I was traveling, such a good road, so anybody will be going very fast. And whenever you go very fast in your life, you lose balance. And then a jhapki comes and dishing. Therefore, they were calling that road as a suicidal road, as if the road is killing the people. And then somebody or anybody, a wise person, put the speed breakers in between. So when you are going, and speed cuts, come to normal. Exactly the same way. Thinking about wife like the husband like the children, stop. Then Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, speed breaker. Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Give it a try. Rama doesn't need your chanting. The food doesn't need you. You need the food. He doesn't care whether you chant his name or not. And when we are chanting the Lord's name, who is benefited? Rama is benefited. On the contrary, he is pareshan. He told me. See, you will see everybody all the time, Ram, 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 eating poor fellow's head. See, what do you want? What do you want? Who is listening to his message? All the time, he's talking to you, but you are not listening. Because whenever he calls with his Panchajanya mobile, and he dials to you, and he gets a message. The number you are dialing is out of reach. Lost in samsara. When we are chanting the Lord's name, the impact must come on our mind. And that mind where Ram resides, the calm will go away. देखो Maharaj, this morning I got one mantra. I was telling Vaidevan. I get these things, from nowhere. Because where is he not? So when I was sitting and doing my japa, and that mala fell down. So being lazy, I did not get it up, but kept sitting. And then inhale Sham, exhale calm. Inhale Sham, exhale calm. Hari Om, Hari Om. With your breathing, see, with your breathing, synchronize. Don't synchronize your breathing with the chanting. Synchronize the Lord's name with your breathing. Breathing is not done. Chanting is done. So, inhale, Sham. So, and exhale. What we inhale? Oxygen. See? And exhale what? Carbon dioxide. What is the name? Dioxide. Leave that dioxide. It has polluted us. Keep on chanting his name. With this clear understanding that nothing is happening to God, but our mind is becoming free from all the garbage of the past. Forgetting is the biggest gift God has given us. See, this is my practice and I am successful. I don't remember anything. Therefore, when I take money from somebody, I don't remember. Swamiji, but I gave you $10,000. Did you? Who are you? He will commit suicide. I am happy. देखो संतो, अध्यात्म ये है. Otherwise, all the time, स्वामीजी मरने के बाद क्या होगा? अब कब तक जीना है? See? Therefore, गत्वो भयम कर्मणा भुज्यते अस्थिरम शुभस्य पापस्य चापि कर्मणा धर्मेण पापम प्रणुदनिहित विद्वान धर्मो बलियान इति तस्य सिद्धि. Therefore, both the wise and otherwise, they go through both. The Satkarma result is Sukham, happiness. Dushkarma, bad conduct, the result is Papa or Dukkha. See? Punyasya phalam Sukham, Papasya phalam Dukkham. And they come to both, wise as well as otherwise. Don't we see? Take any great Mahatmas. Bhagwan Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He also suffered, no? But did he suffer? When his people around were advising him, Thakurji, why don't you tell mother that to remove that thing, you are suffering so much, we can't see your suffering. And that Mahatma said, who is suffering? I am not suffering. What is the lesson? Miseries may be attributed to the past, but present is in your hand. Don't carry the burden of the past on your head. And when you just start living in utter present, even a passing thought of your death will not go through your mind. See? So, Satpurush and ignorant like us, both of them have got Sukha Dukkha. Because whatever is the Papa Punya, the results are there. Now, how do you take those results? If something is happening very miserable to us, if we are able to go through, without becoming miserable, with a balanced mind. And if something happens perfectly, unexpectedly great, immediately we get arrogant. I have done that. Let success and failure do not create any body. This body is the cause of all the miseries. There was a great master, you must be knowing, Lahiri Mahasaya, you must have heard the name. He was the great grand guru of Yogananda, Paramahamsa Yogananda ji. He was a government servant somewhere. When he came home in the evening, he used to have a satsang in his small house. That house is still there in Varanasi. So when he came, he will put his slippers and sit down and start satsang. No, nothing, straight away satsang. And on the back room, his son died, dead body was there. So somebody came and told in his ears. He said, okay, wait. Satsang karenge, baad mein dekhenge. He completed that satsang. After everything was over, then the other people told, this is what has happened. Oh, it has happened. Now let us get ready to get everything done. Do we mean that he had no love for his son? This is Adhyatma. This is the meaning. Death is a big bluff. Otherwise, all the time, those who want to live long and those who want to commit suicide, both of them are suffering from the same disease. The disease is body identification. Those who are suffering because of poverty and those who are suffering because of the riches, both of them have the same disease, wealth. Conditioning is the same. Therefore, gatva ubhayam karmana muchyate asthiram shubhasya papasya karmana. So, the one who is, according to this karma, he will go to the good or bad places and go and suffer or enjoy. But dharmena prapam pranudahit iha vidvan. But the vidvan purusha, a wise person, he also goes through the miseries. But he is dharmena papam pranudati. He destroys the effects of the sinful act by remaining ever cheerful and happy, not because of, but in spite of. देखो महात्माओं, who doesn't have miseries in life? Yes, there is one who, dead body. This is the only karma which has no karma phala. See, suppose I die here, karma of dying. Problem is AMA. मैं पढ़ा हूँ यहाँ. Therefore, dharmo baliyan iti tasya vidhi. Therefore, friends, spiritual life is going beyond this notion of birth and death. Yesham dharmeshu vispardha bale balavatam iva te brahmana ita pretya sarge yanti prakashatam. See, now what happens? More beautifully. Many people, they have competition in showing their wealth. I did not know this thing. But as I move in various societies, all kinds of strata of the society, from multi-billionaire to ordinary government servants. So once I was somewhere and their daughter was due to be married. So Swamiji, you stay in so many good families and all that, you suggest somebody. I said, these people are there, try. No, they are not at our level. We asked them, what is your expenditure for the marriage of your son? 7 crores. No, sorry. We expected at least 10 crores. So is the marriage between the boy and a girl or the bank balance? See, friends, there also spardha, competition. See? So, yesham dharmeshu vispardha. In the dharma also, in Varanasi, this I have seen. My satsang was going on. Our Ramesh Bhaiji ka Bhagvat was going on the other side of Ganges. And a huge pendal, maybe like a aeroplane hangar, huge one. And so many people with the whole bullock carts, children, old, everybody came and all that. And I was the chief guest. What will I do? So I went and sat there. And then I am very thankful to him and that he allowed me to come and listen. I always like all polishing, nothing else. After that was over, then on the last day and everything was over, I was in my Yajna. Then that person came, he said, Swamiji, thank you, you came that day. I said, no, that is my business, it's okay. He said, actually, you know what happened? When my grandfather died, and he had a desire to have some Bhagavad Katha, but I could not do. And then in the society we have to live and say, so I conducted and I spent about 7 crores of rupees on that Bhagavad Katha. Competition. Yesham dharmeshu vispardha. See, there is no competition. No competition in goodness. Be like in Punjabi, it's a very beautiful thing said. Do good, koi mein dal. See? Neki kar, koi mein dal. In Delhi, on one rickshaw, it was written backside. I really like that one. Neki kar, koi mein dal. Here, cut it down. Neki kar, jute kha. Second line. Maine khaye, tu bhi kha. See? How true it is. To whom we want to prove what? Therefore, it is said, those who are even doing the dharma, bale balvatam iva, like the fighters, boxers, they want to show, I can kill him, I can kill them. In the same manner, you have done, I will do this thing. Now, te brahmana ita pretya, such people, when they go from here, yanti aprakashatam. So, then they go to the heavens, and there they will be remaining till their credit is there. After their visa is over, Chine Punne Martyalokam Vishanti. Again they will be born in Ahmedabad. Are yahi aa gaya. There was a Gujju child born. Being Gujju can't keep quiet. So the nurse wrapped that fellow and brought out, and that child started talking. So she was surprised. Are? So he asked in Gujarati, what is there to eat? So she said, Dhokla. Oh God, फिर मैं गुजरात में आ गया. देखो महाराज, छोड़ो ये सब संस्कार मन के, मन को खाली करो. कितना भी आप अच्छा करो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्वर्ग में जाओगे, वापस आओगे. जैसे हमने गुजरातियों की एक बायोग्राफी लिखी है, आपने पढ़ी है क्या? बहुत सिंपल है. Every Gujarati is born in Navsari. I don't know why. But they are not happy there. They come to Ahmedabad. Gujaratis don't come to Ahmedabad. They come to Ahmedabad. Vakar, bakar ek hai. Okay. There also they are not happy. Then he'll go to Bombay. Mumbai. Bombay people started calling Bombay as Mumbai later. Our Gujaratis called it first. Mumbai Samachar. There used to be Gujarati newspaper. There also he is not happy. Then he goes to USA. He goes there, works hard. And in 5 years, he gets green card. And then again he works hard. like that. Then children born, everything growing up and everything. And then he gets the American citizenship. And then he's so happy. And thereafter, children are born in America. They are not Indian children. And they want the children to be like Indian. And that doesn't happen. And then it is better that we go back to Navsari. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. देखो संतो, wherever you are is not important. Wherever you are, how you are, that is important. By changing the place, by changing the people, by changing the situation, you will become happy. It will never happen. And if you are bent upon being happy, even God cannot make you miserable. See, friends. But the other extreme, yesham dharme naja spardha. Now those who are being good, dharma means what? Doing good to everybody. Or being responsible for our personal life. So the first two boons of Nachiket, responsibility towards the parents and the society. So, yesham dharme nacha spardha. They are not doing it to achieve name and fame. See, when a child looks up a boy or a girl looks after his parents, and to some extent he succeeds, he fails, and the father or mother dies. Will it be a curse? Or when he is looking after, will he be glorified? It is a duty. Friends, when we do duty, we are not obliging anybody. When we do favor, then we are obliging somebody. See, friends, this is Dharma Shastra. So, yesham dharme nacha spardha, meaning those wise people who lived their life according to the requirement of the time and the past and the future, everything. They are doing it only because they are obliged to do that. Taj jnana sadhanam. Then they come to know dharma is not for going to heaven. Dharma is not frightening us to go to hell, but it is the jnana sadhanam for the purification of the mind. See, friends. Karmani chitya shuddhyartham, aikagrartham upasanam, mokshartham brahma vidnyanam iti Vedanta Dindima. See? Karmani chitya shuddhyartham. How do we know whatever we are doing, our mind is becoming pure or impure? Whom can you ask? You can find out yourself. Are we carrying the load of regrets, of right omissions, or the regrets of wrong commissions? What should not have been done? Did we do that? What should have been done that we avoided? These regrets in the old age kill a person while they are alive. See, friends. And another thing, that is why one of my principles is never retire in life. See, our Swamiji used to say, I will be happy to see my fellows who are doing this job, that like a soldier, the belt on his belly, shoes on, rifle in the hand, and died on the battlefield. In the same manner, those who are teaching satsanga, etc., the best death will be while giving the satsang, he collapses. That is the ultimate. Then life is lived. Otherwise, you must have seen that small shrub, what we call in Hindi as chui mui, touch me not. छींक आ गए, अरे कैंसर तो नहीं हो गया, अरे राम जिंदा रहने दो यार. We have become chui mui. See, those who are afraid, they are only frightened by others. देखो वो है ना उधर से आएगा ना तो where I saw recently, we were going by car and a what is that, cat crossed the road. He stopped. Swamiji, the cat has crossed. What will happen? I said, I am also worried. What will happen to that cat now? Because you are so apashokuni, that cat will die. These are the signs of the weakling, frustrated mind. You can see this picture in our Bhagavad Gita. When Arjuna was completely nonplussed, that time he starts talking. Nimittani chame pashyami viparitani bharata. See? Hey Krishna, I am seeing all wrong omens around. This is a terrible thing that we are going to do. We should not fight the war. We should go to Haridwar Rishikesh, construct an ashram and wait for the disciples to come. See, my friends, karma is not for getting name and fame. Karma is for purification of the mind. And what is the purification of the mind? Leave no samskar on our mind. नेकी कर कुएं में डाल. देखो, ते ब्राह्मणा ito mukta sargam yanti trivishtapam. Such wise people, when they discard the body, there itself they are one with the divine. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad it comes, na tasya prana utkramanti. The wise people do not leave the body. They go nowhere. See, like you must have seen everywhere. Small hutment or some small house, one builder comes and buys that, and after that, that hutment is removed. A big building is created. Will the space where the hutment was, will that space be also taken away? Everything is happening in the space. Space doesn't go and come anywhere. Exactly. Everything is happening in him. But like that space was covered by a small hutment, the moment it was removed, don't you like open space? Open your heart. Remove all the garbage. You will come to discover bluff is the biggest bluff. The death is the biggest bluff. There's nothing like death. See? Ito mukta sargam yanti trivishtapam. In this very body, in this very life, they are liberated. And if you go to Mandukya Karika, you will be still big shock. See? There Gaudapada Acharyaji very clearly writes, see? Nobody is bound, nobody is liberated, nobody is seeking, nothing is sought, nothing has ever happened. This is the truth. So hold on to that. Then play the game of life. Wherever, whenever, whatever you are, be 100%. And remaining in 100% is easier than to go back. About this I remember one good experience. This happened in which place? Shimla. Many years. I was young that time. So my friend took me there. And those days I had hard time, hardly anywhere lectures. So he says, Swamiji, come, I'll take you to my place. So I went there. And then he had his in-laws, husband, wife. He said, Swamiji, look here, I had to go somewhere, but they are there, you can talk to them. If you want to victimize somebody, put them before old couple. Enjoy. He will take a vow never to go there. See? So he did that. And then they started talking. Swamiji, you came for the first time to Shimla? I said, yes. Now, question is over. We came here for our honeymoon. So I asked him, are you teasing me or what? But being old, they didn't understand the joke, so I was happy. Then we got married in 1922, and thereafter we came here. Husband uvacha. If what your husband says, the wife agrees, there is something wrong between them. This is a manufacturer's defect. Nobody can change it. Then she started telling, 1922, you might have got married to somebody, not to me. No, darling, it was 22. No, it was 32. No, 22, 32. मैं काउंट कर रहा 22, 32. Arey, how does it matter for me whether you are married or not married? See, just recognize this. How many things we talk uncalled for, and we don't understand. Other persons are not interested to listen, but once our switch on, it doesn't become off. See? Then at such time, what we have to do? Should I tell you the technique? Yad gatva na nivartante tadhama paramam mama. Where? Go to toilet and don't come out. That is the only place where you will have solitude. See, friends, tasya samyak samacharam ahur ved vido janaha nainam mannet bhuyishtam bhayabhyantaram janam. Now, such wise people, when they are just living without the fear of death, means those who have conquered death, how they live. Yatra mannet bhuyishtam pravrushива trunodakam annapanam cha viprendra tadvat jivanam anushanjvaret. He said, such wise people should not unnecessarily torture them. They should go and stay in a place where things are easily available and you don't have to struggle for this or that. And in this manner, do not torture yourself. Spiritual practice is not torturing yourself. See, keep on walking to reach nowhere. Why torture? Take food, relax. But those who do this, you know what happens? Whenever you do something with a force on your mind, you become obstinate. What you call in Hindi, jiddi. Such jiddi people are very difficult to be with. हमारे यहाँ एक मुर्गी थी, 2 टांगे थी उसकी. 2 टांगे? मेरी मुर्गी की एक ही टांग. अरे यार, तुम्हारी मुर्गी की होगी, दुनिया की नहीं होती. They are so obstinate, and because of that, they gather some powers, because they have controlled the Prakriti. And because of that control over Prakriti, they gather powers. And then when they say something, it happens. Oh, Mahatma. Friends, if we have a simple thing, like let us take an example. I have got this watch. Now, I didn't know. Somebody told me, Swamiji, this is Apple Watch. I said, oh, very good. So where did you get it? I said, I am not going to give you. Don't worry. So, if I have this watch, I have to show to others. Because I have. You don't have. Similarly, if I have some siddhis, I say something and things happen. Do you think I'll keep quiet? Line lag jayegi. Take another example from the Puranas. Durvasa Rishi was known for his powers and cursing ability. He cursed Lord Shiva, Bhole Baba. तुम्हारी शादी में परेशानी होगी. Poor shit. What he has done. Because his ganas have created problem where he was invited, because they are your ganas, I curse you, you will have problem in your marriage. And it happened because he had that power. Therefore, you will see in our scriptures, the Jnani Purushas and the devotees, there is not a single reference that they have cursed anybody. See? Nowhere. And all these such people are those who are cursing here and there. They are called as mobile cursing centers. जहां गए शाप देके चले गए, अरे राम राम राम. See, friends, therefore, do not torture yourself and suffer. See, our Shirdi Sai Babaji, one thing I like very much. His simple rules. पेट भर के रखो, दिमाग खाली रखो. हमारा पूरा दिन खाएंगे क्या, अरे राम 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 राम. जो आता है खा के खत्म करो ना. दिन भर यही विचार चलता है. ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या होगा, ब्रेकफास्ट खा ही नहीं रहे, लंच में क्या बनेगा, लंच हैज नॉट इवन स्टार्टेड. देयर आफ्टर इवन फॉर इवनिंग टी मेक समथिंग गरम गरम पकौड़ा. बट यू नो यू डोंट. अरे राम, is there any other theme in life other than eating? See? Therefore, yatra manneta bhuishtam pravrushya putronodakam. Live a comfortable, healthy, happy life, but do not get involved in this world. And what is the world? Our own past. See, that which is born, it was non-existent earlier. See, a child is born because it was not there. Therefore, date of birth of a child. Do we have the experience of our birth? If we say, I was not earlier, then do we say we started from non-existence? Can something begin from non-existence? Na sate vidyate bhavaha, na bhavo vidyate satah. So we were, we are, we will be. So who died? But all the time our attention is only on the body. So actually we should be, old people should be, like me, should be expert in dying. Childhood died, I continued. Arey, ek to jeet gaya. Then teenage came, it died, still I am there. Then middle age has come and gone, still I am there. So 3 times we have survived death. Old body will go. Never mind, दूसरी आ जाएगी. Where is the fear of death? मरने भी नहीं देते. In the old age, that is only entertainment. See, he died, who died? Our Ramdas Swami in Maharashtra, he writes, मरे एक त्याचा दुजा शोक वाहे, अकस्मात तो ही पुढे जाता है. एक आदमी मरा, अरे रे रे रे, वो भी मर गया. देखो संतो, we have to learn death is a bluff. Unless you hold on to that, you will be continuing unnecessarily. So, yatra akathayamanasya prachyati shivam bhayam atirakta ivam kurvan sashreyan netaro janaha. Therefore, that which will create unnecessarily agitation, disturbances in your mind, including puja pothi, stop that. I'll tell you an example. That Amma is very favorite of mine from Bangalore, Gujarati Amma. Very sweet. She is so gracious, her look, as if belonging to a royal family. So I used to stay with them. And her life was very unfortunate. All her husband took care of all his brothers and sisters, and very successful, very rich. At the time of his death, he died of cancer. So one of the brothers took signature on some papers, and every pie was taken away, and she was left with 0. So she has to give her ornaments and get the dead body out, to that extent. But she has never spoken one word about any one of them. And then she started engaging few tailors stitch the children's clothes, and supply to different shops. This is how she started. And Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna continuously. One day she asked me, Swamiji, I don't know what to tell you, but I don't get sleep at night. What should I do? And I don't want to take medicines. What should I do? I said, Mama, your health, and health-wise I am okay perfectly. Then you tell me. I said, you show me how you sleep. So I said, come. We went to her bedroom. Then she took out her mala to show me how she sleeps. I said, give me that mala. She gave me. I said, now turn on your left side. She turned. I said, now start playing. Sleep, sleep. According to Upanishad, in waking experience, we are in our right eye. In dream experience, we are in our throat. In deep sleep experience, we are in our bloody heart. So you sleep on the left side and start playing sleep, sleep. And how we sleep? Breathing becomes deeper. And she followed the instructions in letter and spirit. Next day she woke up 8 o'clock. In their house it was a celebration. I have done nothing. See? Don't hold on to anything. Even such a simple thing like sleep demands to discard everything. If you want to discover your divine nature, you will have to discard even the fear of death. Then the truth is revealed. Nayam atma balahine na labhyaha nacha pramadat navapi lingat. See? Therefore, yatha yatra akathaya manasa prayatya ashivam bhayam atiriktam iva kurvan sashreyan netaro janaha. See? Where you go and where you are too much honored and where you are too much disrespected, from such places you should go away. Both these things create wrong notions about oneself. And we all lead only a notional life. We don't lead the real life. Now, लोग कहते हैं, I am very good. Because you are paying. After you go back, I know where from money has come to him. Is it his own? यहाँ से निकाला वहाँ दे दिया. See, both the things, those who praise and those who condemn. Our Kabirji Maharaj says that nindak nere raake aange kuti chawai. Those who are fault finders, they are our well-wishers. See? This experiment I conducted in children's camp many years before to tell this point to them. So, when I went for that, all children were sitting and then Hari Om Swamiji, Hari Om came. And when I sat, they started looking at me, started laughing. I said, hey, why are you laughing? We have to study here, no laughing. So everybody serious. But one child, again second, hey, why are you laughing? Tell me, I'll join with you. Why are you laughing? Swamiji, your Chandan is here, but instead of that, by mistake you put it here. And you are looking like a cartoon. Then I said, now tell me, you are laughing at me, you found out my fault. Is it for my good or for my bad? When somebody tells us our fault, they are our friends. Those who praise us on our face, be aware of them. Dekho Maharaj, this is the truth of life. So, such a person, one should keep quiet and live in such a place wherein You are neither recognized as good or bad. Remain simple. This is one of the reasons the scriptures move alone. Bengali, ekla chalo, ekla chalo. See? Chakla nahi, ekla. Otherwise, anywhere you go, a kamandalu with you. No kamandalu. See? You must have seen many big Mahatmas. Therefore, one person said this also. Swamiji, there was a big function and 5-6 Mahatmas were called. I was also one, supposed to be Mahatma. So I came and sat in the audience. No, Maharajji, you have to sit here. Okay. And when I came, who is your, they call it Asandhari. Maharaj, where is your Asandhari? I said, who are you? I said, you are Asandhari. He has to take out the asana and put it there. After that, you don't have Asandhari? I said, when you are there, why should I have another one? Friends, when you take a child in your lap, what you do? Asan. So that your clothes should not get soiled. In the same manner, whenever Mahatmas sit, they put the asan. Who knows? See, Maharaj, इस चक्कर में मत पड़ो. No, but normally Mahatmas have. I said, it is your fault. Why? You call me Mahatma, you label me Mahatma, and then you want me to behave according to your definition? I am a CH Atma. You know CH Atma? We may not know Atma, but CH Atma we know. So ja raha jo kumari. Therefore, yo va akhataya manasya atmanam naru sanjarat brahmaswam nopahanyadva tadannam sammatam satam. And therefore, such Mahatma log, those who are not getting involved in unnecessarily things in this world, should not allow anything which will disturb your peace of mind. Friends, if you want to know what is the most valuable commodity for a seeker of truth, is only one. You are at peace with yourself. And if you are at peace with yourself, you will not talk to yourself. And if you are at peace with yourself, you will not get disturbed by any word or any sound. You don't have to go to Himalayas. Wherever, whenever, whatever you are, be 100%. 100% is absolute reality. Other places you go here and there frustrated, no point. Therefore, it is necessary and easy to practice in life. It's not difficult. Therefore, and as regard the food is concerned, food habits are, that is also indicated. See, first of all, I never knew when I was new in my profession. Now I have become professional. So, when I used to go for taking food, they will be giving so much of food as if I had not taken food for last 300 years. Big, good thali. And we were told, Annam Brahmeti Vyajanat, Anna ka nash nahi karna chahiye, you should not waste the food. And I used to eat. And Madhya Pradesh used to go on strike. Then you tell these ammas, you will, if you sit with me, then you will understand what it is. One lady in Delhi, she said, Swamiji, it's a great joy to go with you. It is such lovely food you get everywhere you get. I said, Mama, yes, you are welcome. I am going to Jaipur, you come there. She came. I said, one condition. Whether you come for satsanga or not, no objection. But you have to come for every food I take. You are coming? Yes, yes, I am coming for that only. The house I was staying, a Jain house. Morning, tea, and not a ordinary tea, something or the other. Before going to lecture, heavy breakfast. After coming from the lecture, again little bit tea or coffee or something to eat. Then after that, खाना है तो राजस्थान का खाओ. See, Rajasthani food is the best one. So, solid one. So you eat. And if somebody asks you, do you want something? No. Stomach full? But what did you eat? No, you can't talk. Why? Jalebi is still in the mouth. See? So, one day she tolerated. Second day, she pretended she is eating. Third day, she came in the morning to my room and touched my feet. Swamiji, you kicked me, you beat me. Don't ask me to take food. I said, I am not going to leave you. You have tortured me. And not only you, the whole world over, they do the same thing. See? Therefore, I feel myself to be greater than Bhagwan Krishna. You know how? He suffered the childhood pranks of Yashoda for few years. He left one Devaki. In exchange, he got one Yashoda. I left my Devaki. I have got Yashoda battalions in all the continents. And yet I am surviving. देखो महाराज, whole life goes only eating, eating, eating. See? So, nityam ajnatachar. Therefore, what I do now, whatever you want, you give it, keep it there. And they don't serve me. I'll take with my hand. No buts, no butting. I will do myself. And then whatever I had to do, Swamiji, only this much I have prepared with such a great love for you. Please eat. Amma, if I eat, I will die. Never mind. Eat. Arre? Now tell me, how can you become miserable in this world? Cartoons are everywhere. When you see the cartoons, do you become miserable? So look at the world as a big cartoon show going on. But you don't become a cartoon. So nitya adnyata charyame iti manneta brahmanaha. Such a wise person should lead his life in such a manner, nobody should even suspect him that he is walking a spiritual path. पानी तेरा रंग कैसा जिसमें मिलाया वैसा. See? But normally, Babaji is like us. They want to be extraordinary than others. I don't have onion. I don't eat garlic. We don't eat non-vegetarian at home. Then we eat outside. To whom are we cheating, my friends? We cheat ourselves the most in life. Therefore, nityam ajnatacharyame. Let our life, personal life, be not something extraordinary. Live ordinary. We don't have to prove anything to anybody on any issue. See, Sannyasa Upanishad, there is one mantra which I like very much. That mantra tells, Na prishtaha kasyachid bruyat na cha anyayena cha pruchataha janan apihi medhavi jadaval lokamacharet. Live like a dumb person in this world. People we keep on asking, let them ask. We are not obliged to answer everybody's every question. See, like in the school examination, they give answer any one question out of 100. So, you are not obliged to answer every question. But some of my Yashodas, they are very obstinate. Swamiji, I will not leave you. I am so much benefited because of you. I just want to know about you. Not leaving. Now, elderly Ammas, what can you do? I said, okay, Mama, note down. When I was in jail on account of a murder charge, I was thinking how to save myself. Then I managed to run away from the jail. And then how to protect myself? So there are two options, Babaji, yeah, politician. I preferred Babaji. Swamiji, why are you telling that? I said, you ask about my past, I am telling you. No, no, you are telling lies. I say, if this is lie, next will be right, how it can be? That will also lie. Not only that, even the satsanga is a lie. How satsanga? Another Amma, same question, Dilli wali. Swamiji, aap कहते हैं झूठ बोल दिया. How you are telling so good, how it is a lie? I said, you want to know? Whatever our tongue touches is a lie. झूठा कहते हैं ना? You take a spoon, something, put in your mouth, take it out. That spoon has become jhuta. Jhuta means lie. Isn't it? So whatever touches our tongue is a lie. You talk about the world, which is an illusion. To talk about, see, I was coming and there was a huge mirage waters. I collected a bucket full of that and put it in my thermos. It was so tasty. It's a lie, isn't it? Because that which doesn't exist, how can you taste it? This world is an appearance, doesn't exist. So anything you talk about the world is a lie. And what is Paramatma? Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. That which is beyond the scope of speech and mind, how can you talk about it? Therefore, whatever you talk is a bluff. Therefore, mouthshut.com. देखो संतो, adhyatma has to be practically lived. Otherwise, like when you take food and if it is not digested for whatever reason, it comes out. What you call that? Ulti. Ulti means not siddhi. Ulti. In the same manner, this knowledge, satsanga, Gita, Upanishad, Vedanta, all Mahatma को सुन के रख दिया है. See? So many things we listen, and when it is not digested, it starts coming out, giving upadesh to others as I am doing. Friends, this knowledge is not meant for distribution. It is meant for living in our every moment. Therefore, when people will be saying, whichever way, remain as just ignorant, simple one. We don't have to prove anything to anybody in this world. Remember this. Ko hevam antaratmanam brahmana mantumarati nirlingam achalam shuddham sarvadvamna vivarjitam. Therefore, to this great master, who can know? What is this alingam, avichalam, shuddham? So, all the complementary opposites are not applied on him. See? On all of us, complementary opposites are applied. Either I am rich or I am poor. Either I am married or I am unmarried. Either I am intelligent or I am over-intelligent. Either I am successful or I am a failure. There is nothing in our life which is free from the dvandva, complementary opposites. See? The wise man has transcended this dvandva. Bhagavad Gita, dvandvaihi vimuktaha sukadukha sanjaihi gachanti amudhaha tat avyayam padam. Those who have transcended the impact of this complementary opposite. Which are the complementary opposite? Sukha, dukkha, joy, sorrows, honor, dishonor, see, gain, loss, appreciation, depreciation, health, disease. This world is made up of these crisscross threads. You cannot change it. No, but I want a cloth which has only one side threads, no crisscrossing. Then take a rope and hang yourself. See, friends, therefore, nirlingam achalam shuddham. Who can understand what is he? Because sarva dvandva virjitam. Therefore, such a wise man is beyond all that, and only wise man alone can understand. Now, this 33rd shloka is one of my very pet shloka. To define what is pap, you are all afraid of sin and merit, health and life and death. Here is the answer. योन्यथा संतमात्मानम अन्यथा प्रतिपद्यते किम तो तेन न कृतं पापम चोरेण आत्म अपाहना. See? Words used are chor. Then atma apaharinaha, stealing somebody. Who is that person? Yaha anyatha santam atmanam anyatha pratipadyate. We are essentially divine. But we think, I am miserable, I am poor, I am jiva, papoham papa karmaham. Hey Bhagwan, mujhe utha lo. Jaga nahi hai, wahi raho. Useless. Disrespecting the divinity that you are is the highest sin. From Mahabharata I am telling you. It is not from my head. Head is empty. See? Yonyatha santam atmanam anyatha pratipadyate. We are essentially divine, but we think, I am a jiva, I am born, I am going to die. Kim tena na krutam papam? What is the theft? Our body we have not created. Our body doesn't listen to us. And yet that body I am. When somebody's property is taken away without the knowledge of that person, that owner, it is called as a theft. When somebody's property is taken away with a gun point, it is called as a dacoit, is it not? We are all dacoit. There was a Hindi movie, you remember? Hum sab chor hai. See? And when you do the theft, you are bound to be punished. And that punishment is you are suffering in life. See, friends, and because of that, we want to go to sleep. In sleep, what we have? In sleep, we have nothing, we are nowhere, we are never, we are nobody. And therefore, we are happy. In sleep, we get nothing. But instead of recognizing our own experience, we want to get happiness from outside. My friends, there is a simple technique. The technique is not difficult. Don't seek happiness in life. Express happiness in life. See? Don't wait for somebody's recognition. You are at peace with yourself, very good. When you practice this, then we'll understand what is the meaning of papa. Say, kim tena na krutam papam chorena atma paharina. So what is the sin? Sin is this: non-recognition of our own divine nature and living as a beggar in this world, running after the worldly objects and things and beings to seek happiness. See, in some place I was going, one beggar asked me, Maharaj, कुछ दे दो. I said, एक भिखारी दूसरी भिखारी को मांग रहा है, मैं तुमको क्या दूं? See, friends, what else it is then? Therefore, kim tena na krutam papam chorena atma paharina. Therefore, the sin should be clearly understood. Chota mota sin is not a sin. They are baby sins. See, it is something like, see, I was taking food, and that time the food fell, and then my food fell. And oh my God, Pap, now what to do? You have to donate 10 acres of land in Ahmedabad center. Pap, Punya. These are baby sins. The second sin Bhagwan tells, Sukha dukkhe same krutva labha labho jaya jayo tato yuddhayo yujjasva naivam papam avapsasi. See? When the dvandva, same thing he was telling, dvandva, What are the Dvandva? Three of them. When you do something, either succeed or fail. When you succeed, you gain. When you fail, you lose. When you gain, you are happy. When you lose, you are miserable. So these three pairs are together. So, same krutva. When you do something, yes, sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. This is what life is. Sometimes we gain, sometimes we lose. Yes, naturally. Sometimes we get happiness, sometimes we get misery. Possible. Then, same krutva. Maintain your equanimity under all conditions. With this understanding, yuddhaya yujasva, live dynamically in this world, not to live, but to succeed. Naivam papam avapsasi. Now what is the papa? Papa will be, you will carry no regrets of failure and no arrogance of success. Net result, our mind's equanimity will remain. Nirdosham hi samam brahma, tasmate brahmani stitaha. Those whose mind is free from the oscillations of good and bad, they are abiding in the truth. Like the space. Let it be in the temple, it doesn't become holy. Let it be in a toilet, it doesn't become unholy. Dekho santo, where is death? Death is a big bluff. Ashrantaha syadanarata sammato nirupadravaha shishto na shishtavasa syad brahmano brahmavid kavihi. See? Ashrantaha syad anadata sammato nirupadravaha shishto na shishtavasa syad brahmano brahmavid kavi. Therefore, those people those who are taking themselves to be body, etc., now with such people, we should keep away and don't get involved beyond limits. And if some people are thinking that you are great, you are a Mahatma, this thing, that thing, don't get carried away. Both are only just one blow of air has come and gone. The truth is, you don't require anybody's certification. One Punjabi Amma in Delhi, she came, Swamiji, don't quote my example in your lecture. I said, I will quote, but not tell your name. Oh, I said, don't ask them. No, but tell me. Tell me how much I am realized. You tell me, can you give reply to this? How much I realize? I said, Mama, क्यों मेरी मजाक उड़ा रहे हो? No, Swamiji, you don't want to tell. I said, okay, stand there properly. Then I started doing the X-ray. Tick, 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 tick. घुटने तक. Only up to knee. You have to grow further. Friends, when I take food, should I ask others whether my stomach is full or not? It is your own experience. We don't require anybody's certification, whether I am at peace with me or not. See, friends, it is so simple, but we make our life miserable. Therefore, when we are among the ignorant people, just behave like them. Yes, अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया, चलो खा, हम भी खाते हैं. But don't get entangled in that thing. Otherwise, wherever you go, special state, I should have this thing, I don't this thing, he should not touch, Ram, 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 Ram. Don't make your life complicated. Be simple like the space. See? Support everything, reject nothing, don't get influenced by anything. That is the ultimate truth. And when you catch this truth, your death will die. You will be the death of your death. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।